Plus, you're in a Kia Soul. Like, what is this car? Look, let's race an ST. That was 70. We're going 70 now. What's up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. As you guys can tell, we are driving a Kia Soul. This thing is so rectangular and boxy, and honestly, I don't really like it. Just kind of driving it around. I've driven this. This is my car rental. So this thing is like super top heavy. It like is completely understeering. It's super squibbly across the road. Speakers don't work that well. One plus is that the seats lay down flat, so that's kind of neat. Another thing I don't like about it is the fact that there's no automatic windows on this. Speakers, literally I had it on full blast and it's like with the windows down, and it's like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, really, like this is it? Like, it'd almost be louder to have my own JBL speaker in here or something. Also, I know it's kind of like a cosmetic thing, but these are kind of angled weird. When I roll it down a little bit, it's literally like a sharp angle, which is kind of interesting. It is Bluetooth, which is nice. It does have XM radio. Kind of a fan of all these different buttons and able to choose everything. It is a 4-cylinder and it is slow. Right now I'm just cruising at 70, and if you want to accelerate, even in sport mode, I don't know why there's a sport mode on this type of car. There definitely should not be. Like, honestly, it's like what there's nothing sporty about this car. I don't understand why anyone would want this, other than it's like not quite an SUV and it's not quite a sedan. Going from the Alfa Romeo to this thing, you're just like, what is this thing? Like really? And then they way overdid the gauge cluster, because that actually looks kind of cool. It almost looks like something that would be in like a Maxima. The same like type of backlighting with the white LEDs with the red, and like, you know, the big little LCD display in the center. The only thing else that it has going for it is that I can put the camera right there and not touch it. Just kind of cool. That's like one thing I like about this car. That's about it though. It feels like I'm driving like a lifted Jeep. I once drove a lifted CJ7. It was a 1938, I believe. One of my buddies owns one, and it's lifted and you're constantly going like this. And that's literally what I feel like I'm doing, just to stay like centered in my lane, because like this thing is completely unaerodynamic. Plus, you're in a Kia Soul. Like, what is this car? Look, let's race an ST. That was 70. We're going 70 now. We literally went from like, oh great, now you're sliding around everywhere. The one thing it could do right, it's not even doing. Now we're in sport mode. 65, flooring it. All right, now we're at 70. Alrighty guys, another cool thing is, check this out. You flick it on. Woo! We got a little back windshield wiper, front windshield wiper, back windshield wiper, front windshield wiper, back windshield wiper, front windshield wiper, back windshield wiper, front windshield wiper. All right, I'm not gonna lie. Back windshield wiper, front windshield wiper. Having a back windshield wiper kind of seems kind of nice. Woo! We're going 10. Woo! We just hit 25. You see, literally, it doesn't even go anywhere. Also, turning radius absolutely like sucks for how small of a car it is. Like, it's literally, it's like unbelievable. The engine on my motorcycle would be bigger than that. Well, I mean, that's why it gets 28 miles per gallon. Don't know why anyone would buy this car. But exterior literally just looks like a cube. Great. All right. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like today's video. If not, guys, still leave a thumbs up, you know, just for good content. All right, guys, there's nothing left to say. I'll see you in the next one. Guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.